What if I tell you that you can multiply 25 with 16 without writing a single multiplication table, or solve 48 with 25 mentally in just 3 seconds? No calculator, no long multiplication. Today I will teach you one of the easiest Vedic maths techniques called doubling and halving method. By the end of this video, you will surprise your friends and even your teachers. This technique works because multiplying one number while dividing the other by 2 keeps the answer the same. For example, 25 times 16. Instead of multiplying directly, double 25 and half 16. Before that, understand the rule behind that. Double the one number, basically double the even number, then half the other number. Repeat until one number becomes one or another easy number. We'll understand how it works. 25 double is 50. 16 half is 8. 50 double is 100. 8 half is 4. Double of 100 is 200. Half of 4 is 2. Double of 200 is 400. Half of 2 is 1. So the answer is 400. Because 25 times 16, 50 times 8, 100 times 4, 200 times 2, 400 times 1 are all equal. So what we did in this problem? First you choose the even number to halve it. Then you choose odd number to double it. Then 16 half we did 8, 4, 2, 1. Then 25 we doubled it like 25 2 times is 50, 50 2 times is 100, 100 2 times is 200 and 200 2 times is 400. So answer we got 400. Easy, right? Let us solve one more example. 12 and 8. See here, both are even. You can choose any number to half it or double it. So I'll choose 8 to halve it and 12 to double it. Half of 8 is 4. 12 2 times is 24. Half of 4 is 2. 24 2 times is 48. Half of 2 is 1. 48 2 times is 96. So 96 one time is 96. So our answer is 96. We'll solve another example here 15 and 32. To halve, always take an even number, that is 32, and to double take an odd number. Half of 32 is 16. Double of 15 is 30. Half of 16 is 8. Double of 30 is 60. Half of 8 is 4. Double of 60 is 120. Half of 4 is 2. Double of 120 is 240. Half of 2 is 1. Double of 240 is 480. So the answer is 480. Interesting, right? Now we'll solve one more example, that is 48 and 25. Now tell me what to choose for halving. Choose 48 here, then 25 to double it. Half of 48 is 24. Double of 25 is 50. Half of 24 is 12. Double of 50 is 100. Half of 12 is 6. Double of 100 is 200. Half of 6 is 3. Double of 200 is 400. Now we got an odd number. Again, if you half it, you will get a decimal. So just multiply these two numbers. That is 3 times of 400 is 1200. So the answer is 1200. Amazing. You stop whenever you can't divide evenly and multiply with the doubled number. Now let us solve 18 times 64. Now I am taking 64 for halving and 18 for doubling. 64 half is 32. Double of 18 is 36. 32 half is 16 and double of 36 is 72. 16 half is 8. Double of 72 is 144. 8 half is 4. Double of 144 is 288. Half of 4 is 2. Double of 288 is 576. Then half of 2 is 1. And the double of 576 is 1152. So our answer is 1152. 75 times 8. Take 8 for halving and 75 for doubling. Half of 8 is 4. Double of 75 is 150. Half of 4 is 2. Double of 150 is 300. Half of 2 is 1. Double of 300 is 600. So our answer is 600. Now challenge time. Try this yourself. 36 times 16. Pause the video and comment your answer. Got the answer? If you got 576, you are correct. Now super challenge. 64 times 125. Half 64 and double 125. Half of 64 is 32. 125 two times is 250. 32 half is 16. Double of 250 is 500. Half of 16 is 8. Double of 500 is 1000. Half of 8 is 4. Double of 1000 is 2000. Half of 4 is 2. Double of 2000 is 4000. Half of 2 is 1. Double of 4000 is 8000. So the answer is 8000. Looks like magic. Now we'll understand some real life application. Suppose one notebook cost 25 rupees and you buy 48 notebooks. Instead of multiplying 25 with 48, think 48 half is 24, 25 double is 50, 24 half is 12, then 50 double is 100, then 12 half is 6, double of 100 is 200, 6 half is 3, and double of 200 is 400. Now we can't divide 3 evenly, so multiply 3 with 400. That is 3 times 400 is 1200. Fast mental calculation. By practice, you can multiply easily. Now we'll discuss some common mistakes. Doubling the wrong number randomly. While you are doubling, if you have one odd number and another even number, always choose an odd number for doubling and for halving even number. Halving odd numbers incorrectly. When you choose an odd number, always while you half it, you will get a decimal. So don't choose odd numbers for halving. Forgetting the last multiplication when an odd number remains. Like previously we got 3 as least number. So don't forget to multiply 3 with 400. These are the some common mistakes you make while multiplying. Solve these mentally. 24 times 16, 35 times 8, 25 times 32 and 48 times 50 and comment your answer below. There are some shortcut tips. Always halve the even number. Stop when halving becomes difficult. Multiply the remaining number with doubled value. There is an amazing fact. Ancient Indian mathematician discovered several mental calculation techniques centuries ago. Even today, these tricks are used to improve calculation speed in competitive exam. So use these tricks in your competitive exam. So today's trick, double one number, half other number, repeat till you get one or when halving become difficult and multiply the final answers. That's all. Pause the video and practice these questions and comment your answer below. If this trick amazed you, don't forget to like this video. Subscribe for more Vedic Maths tricks that make mathematics fun and easy. Comment below which multiplication trick should I teach next. See you in the next video.